It's cooking time with C. We have a low carb recipe. Cheddar cheese flatbread. Another bread recipe. Let's get started. So today I'm using a new product, a dry egg white product, because a lot of the recipes that you see have where it'll just have one egg white, and I don't like separating egg, and I'm not good at separating eggs, so I'll kind of want to be able to have that egg white on hand. This is what it looks like, just a powder form, but let's get this recipe started. See you at the end. I'm cracking it open and let you see. It came out pretty nice. I still wish a lot of these breads would rise a little bit more than most of them do. But this turned out pretty nice. I actually made a tuna fish sandwich, but also did a tuna melt. So family, enjoy. Health is wealth. Without health, wealth is nothing. Keep healthy, think healthy, eat healthy, be healthy. Bon appetit, my family. Peace.